Hey everybody! Today we're talking about the distributive property. And there it is. So the distributive property says that whenever we're multiplying a number times the sum of two other numbers, we can distribute or pass out the first number, the number that's being multiplied, to both of the numbers that are being added. So in other words, I can draw this out. Let's see here. So the x gets distributed to the y, and it gets distributed to my z. I can then rewrite this problem, and I'll try to do this here on the video. So I have x times y plus x times z. So to take a look at this in a real world situation, I can give you some actual numbers. All right, so here are some real numbers. I have the number 2 being multiplied times the sum of 5 plus 3. So once again, my 2 can get distributed to the 5 and to the 3. That means I can set this up as 2 times 5 plus 2 times 3. And if I want to, I can put these both in parentheses just to make them stand out a little bit. This becomes a lot easier to now solve because 2 times 5 gives me 10, plus 2 times 3 gives me 6, 10 plus 6 gives me 16. So I use the distributive property to distribute my number across when I'm multiplying. I'm trying to find the best way to put this out here. When I'm multiplying a number by the sum of two other numbers, that's the distributive property. And just think we're distributing it just like it's a present, just like it's a Halloween candy that we're passing out to trick-or-treaters. So we're going to be using the distributive property a lot in class to simplify expressions. We want to make sure we know how to use the distributive property.